The adjustable cycling shoes are designed with the active cyclist in mind. There are many products available to choose adjustable cycling shoes for men, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best adjustable cycling shoes for men from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. TIM Slipstream Indoor Cycling Shoe. The TIM Slipstream shoes are designed to enhance your cycling experience with both style and comfort. With SPD cleat compatibility, you can easily clip into most studio and home bikes, ensuring a secure fit during your workouts. The recessed cleats offer added comfort when you're off the bike, making it easy to walk around. The slip-on design features an adjustable strap, allowing you to customize the fit for your foot. Plus, the breathable mesh toe box keeps your feet cool, providing a more enjoyable ride. Whether you're hitting the gym or cycling at home, these shoes are a great choice. Number 2. GripGrab Ride Waterproof Cycling Shoe Covers. The GripGrab waterproof shoe covers are designed specifically for slim road cycling shoes, providing a snug fit that keeps your feet dry and warm. These covers are both windproof and waterproof, making them ideal for riding in rainy spring and autumn weather. With an adjustable closure, you can easily put them on and take them off, ensuring a secure fit every time. Plus, the reflective details enhance your visibility, helping you stay safe during low-light rides. Enjoy your cycling experience without the worry of wet shoes. Number 3. Venzo Bicycle Men's Road Cycling Riding Shoes. Introducing the Venzo Bicycle Men's Road Cycling Shoes, the perfect blend of comfort and performance for all your cycling needs. These versatile shoes are designed for road riding, commuting, touring, and spin class. The quick-drying and super breathable mesh and synthetic upper ensure your feet stay cool and dry during intense rides. With a low-cut construction, these shoes offer a light and fast fit, while the flexible forefoot and running shoe beveled heel provide maximum comfort. The shoes are compatible with Look Delta and other cleat types, making them suitable for any pedals you ride. Plus, they come with a pair of Delta cleats for added convenience. Number 4. Casco Men's Women's Cycling Shoes. The Casco cycling shoes are designed for compatibility with various pedal systems, including Peloton and Delta. With pre-installed floating Delta cleats, you can easily clip in for a secure ride. The shoes feature a breathable mesh upper that enhances comfort by allowing airflow and heat dissipation, making them ideal for long rides. The sturdy nylon outsole ensures durability and minimizes energy loss, helping you perform at your best whether you're cycling indoors or outdoors. With a wider toe box, these shoes accommodate different foot shapes, reducing discomfort during your cycling sessions. Number 5. Unisex Cycling Shoes. The VicoViren cycling shoes offer a fantastic combination of comfort and performance for both men and women. These shoes come with Delta cleats included, saving you the hassle and extra cost of purchasing them separately. Their versatile design features compatibility with both 3-hole and 2-hole cleats, making them ideal for various cycling activities, from indoor spin classes to outdoor touring. The breathable mesh uppers enhance airflow, keeping your feet cool and comfortable during long rides. Additionally, the sturdy nylon and TPU outsole provides excellent stability and power transfer, helping you ride more efficiently and with less foot fatigue.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.